How to delete Kik account. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Kik account. So how do you go about this? The first step is to launch the Kik application on your mobile device, then move to the top right corner, click on your profile picture. On your profiles page, scroll down until you can see the option your account. Alright, and then you'll be taken to your account settings. On the accounts page, you would see that there is no option for you to delete accounts here. The only option here is logout. So since you have that, the next step will be for you to close down the page and then head over to your web browser. Then in your browser's page, click on the search box and then type Kik account deletion portal. Click account deletion portal, and then you'll be brought to the portals page. So click on the Kik account deletion portal that is bearing the Kik logo. All right, you just click on any blog post. Ensure that the blog post you are clicking on has the Kik logo. So after clicking on it, you would wait for the page to load, and then you'll be taken to the deletion page. So how do I delete my account? Just add your thinking of leaving, etc. So just go ahead, enter in your username in here. Enter in your username in here. Enter in your email address. Okay, email address that you used to register. Then you have to tell a reason. Okay, is it too slow? Is it trouble sending messages? Trouble finding friends? All right. So just go ahead, add additional info to your reason. Then check the box which says I understand that I'm permanently deactivating my account and I won't be able to log in again to reactivate it. And click on go. And once you click on go, your account would be deleted. And once it has been deleted, a deactivation link will be sent to your email. Click on that and the procedure would be done. So this is how you can delete your Kik account permanently. Just go ahead, try this out, and you are good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.